In this question, I think the best approach is to start substituting the values in PQR and as given as is. So in most of them, yeah, only one of A, B, C, D is 1 anyways. So for example, in P, B is 1, the rest all are 0, which means Hx is simply Gx plus G half minus X. G half minus X is 1 minus 2 half minus X, which is 1 minus 1 plus 2x, which is equals to 2x, which means Gx plus G half minus X is Gx is 1 minus 2x and G half minus X is 2x, which means Gx plus G half minus X is equals to 1. So Hx is equals to 1 when B is equals to 1. Not 1. So Hx is equals to 1 when x is in 0 to half. It is 0 otherwise. So h is not 1 1, h is not onto, h is not differentiable on R, it's not continuous. The range of h is not close 0 to 1, the range of h is either 0 or 1. So yeah, P is mapped to 5 because the function h can only take the value 0 or 1 when the conditions of P are true. For Q, A is 1, all others are 0, so Hx simply is Fx. Fx is x mod x sine 1 by x. When x is not 0 and 0, so it is in fact continuous and differentiable as well. Is h 1 1? No, h is not 1 1, h is an even function. Is h onto? So is fx onto? Yeah, I think h is onto. H is differentiable on R. Yeah, h is differentiable on R. Range of h is not 0 to 1. H is not onto in the second case. In Q, H is not onto. It's in fact an even function, so it cannot take both infinity and minus infinity. It won't take minus infinity as the x tends to minus infinity. This thing will be positive. So, but H is differentiable. So Q is mapped to 3. R only C is 1. So Hx is equals to x minus gx. Oh, H is again, so that means Hx is 3x minus 1 for x in goes 0 to half x otherwise. Let's draw the graph. So this is the graph. So clearly H is not 1 1, H is onto, H is not differentiable, and the range is infinite. The range is the whole number, right? So R is 2. So we already have our answer. The correct option is C. In fact, from P and R we would have figured out what the answer is. But it's nice to know that Q should be mapped to 3. Anyways, when D is equals to 1, Hx simply is Gx. In that case, yeah, 4 is the correct option because it's neither 1 1 nor onto. It's not differentiable. It's not continuous, so it's not differentiable. The range obviously is not either 0 or 1. And in fact, we can quickly draw the graph and see that the range of that is in fact, this is the graph of Gx, so the range in fact is close 0 to 1. So answer is C.